In the last few years, we've seen a massive shift in how the average American thinks about personal security. It's not just about what's on your hip anymore, it's about what's riding shotgun in your vehicle. Whether you call it a truck gun, a trunk gun, or a vehicle-based defense system, the goal is the same: having enough firepower to get you home when things go south on the road. Navigating the legal landscape of vehicle carry can be a bit of a minefield, and while we aren't diving into the legal jargon today, you better believe it's something you need to be sharp on. Today, we're breaking down the absolute best options for 2026, from ultra-compact folding pistols to heavy-hitting tactical shotguns. We've got some high-tech newcomers and some old-school reliability on the bench today, so let's get into it. Number 10, Sig Sauer MPX Copperhead. When you talk about a get-home gun that fits in a center console or a small gear bag, the MPX Copperhead is the undisputed king of the hill. This isn't your run-of-the-mill direct blowback 9mm that kicks like a mule. This is a sophisticated, short-stroke gas piston system. What that means for you in a high-stress situation inside a cramped vehicle cabin is a flat-shooting, incredibly soft recoiling platform. The 3.5-inch barrel is shrouded in an integrated muzzle device, keeping the overall footprint tiny while the monolithic upper receiver provides a rock-solid foundation for your optics. It's finished in a tough-as-nails coyote tan Cerakote that'll handle the humidity and temperature swings of a truck interior without breaking a sweat. Unlike the AR-9 platforms that slam a heavy bolt back into your shoulder, the MPX's gas system allows for much faster follow-up shots. It features fully ambidextrous controls, mag release, safety, and charging handle, which is vital if you're forced to operate the firearm with your non-dominant hand while bailing out of a driver's side door. The pros: unmatched compactness for a subgun, military-grade reliability, and the ability to run any 9mm grain weight without a hitch. The cons: it's a premium piece of kit with a price tag to match. The short barrel means you're sacrificing some terminal velocity compared to a full-size carbine. Number 9, Mossberg 590 Shockwave. If you want to end a conversation quickly, 12-gauge is the universal language of back off. The 590 Shockwave changed the game by offering a 14-inch barrel in a package that stays just over 26 inches long, keeping it out of the NFA's tax stamp clutches. This isn't just a cool-looking range toy, it's a meat-and-potatoes defensive tool built on the legendary 590 action. The steel-to-steel lockup and dual extractors mean this thing will cycle every time you rack that slide, no matter how dirty or hot it gets in the back of your rig. The bird's head grip, often called the Shockwave grip, is designed to minimize felt recoil by letting the gun roll back in your hand rather than driving straight into your wrist. The magazine tube gives you a 5+1 capacity of 2 3/4-inch shells, which is a lot of lead on target in a very short amount of time. The pros: incredible stopping power in a small footprint, no paperwork required, extremely durable aluminum receiver and steel barrel. The cons: there's a steep learning curve to shooting a stockless shotgun accurately. The recoil is stout, and it requires significant practice to master follow-up shots. Number 8, B&T APC 9K. If you want the absolute Lamborghini of truck guns for 2026, look no further than the APC 9K. This is the ultra-compact version of the platform that actually won the United States Army's subcompact weapon contract. When the military needs something to protect high-value generals in tight urban environments, this is what they reach for. In a truck gun roll, its tiny footprint, just under 13 inches with the brace or stock folded, means it can live in a laptop bag on your passenger seat, completely invisible to prying eyes. But don't let the size fool you. It features a unique hydraulic buffer system in the back of the receiver. While most 9mm carbines use a heavy weight to slam forward and backward, the B&T uses that hydraulic piston to soak up the recoil impulse. The K model features a cold hammer-forged barrel that is barely 4 inches long, but it's threaded for suppressors and often comes with a 3-lug mount integrated. This is huge for a truck gun because firing a weapon inside a vehicle cabin is deafening. Being able to can this gun quickly is a lifesaver for your eardrums. The lower receiver is compatible with B&T mags, but they also offer lowers that take standard Glock magazines, which is a massive plus for cross-compatibility with your sidearm. The pros: military-proven reliability, the smoothest recoil impulse in the subgun world, and an incredible build quality that feels like a Swiss watch. The cons: it is undeniably expensive, easily crossing the $2,500 mark, and the proprietary magazines can be pricey if you don't opt for the Glock-compatible lower. Number 7, Trailblazer Firearms Pivot. Now, if you're looking for something that defies conventional logic, we have to talk about the Pivot. This is a folding 9mm rifle that doesn't fold in half like a suitcase. Instead, the upper and lower halves literally pivot 360 degrees around each other. When it's closed, it's a weird rectangular package that looks more like a power tool than a firearm, which is a fantastic stealth feature for someone who doesn't want their truck gun to scream tactical. But when you hit that release button and swing it open, you have a full 16-inch barrel carbine in your hands. That extra barrel length gives your 9mm rounds a significant velocity boost, turning a standard handgun cartridge into a much more capable round at 50 to 100 yards. Despite its transforming nature, the pivot is built with a combination of steel, aluminum, and high-strength polymer, keeping the weight down to a mere 5 pounds. It feeds from standard Glock 17 or 19 magazines, meaning you can carry a couple of 33-round sticks in your glove box and you're ready for a serious engagement. It even features a threaded barrel, so if you have the clearance in your bag, you can keep a suppressor mounted even while it's in the collapsed position. The pros: full rifle ballistics in a package that fits in a briefcase, excellent gray man aesthetics, and uses the most common magazines on the planet. The cons: the manual of arms is unique, so you'll need a lot of dry fire practice to get fast at deploying it from the folded position. And because it's a pivoting design, you're somewhat limited on what kind of bulky optics you can mount on the top rail. Number 6. Magpul ZEV-TEC FDP-9. This has been one of the most anticipated releases in the history of the firearms industry. And for 2026, it's a top-tier choice for a truck gun. The FDP-9, or Folding Defensive Pistol, is the spiritual successor to a concept Magpul teased years ago, but now it's a reality built on a rock-solid ZEV-TEC foundation. When it's stowed, it looks like a simple, nondescript polymer box. It doesn't scream gun, which is exactly what you want if someone happens to glance through your truck window. But with one flick of the charging handle, the entire thing snaps open into a brace 9mm pistol in less than a second. It's built on the ZEV OZ9 chassis with Gen 5 internals, meaning the trigger and reliability are world-class. The internal chassis is constructed of 4140 steel, and the slide is a hybrid 17-4 stainless steel, all finished in a rugged black nitride for maximum corrosion resistance. This is vital for a gun that lives in a vehicle where condensation and heat cycles can cause rust on lesser finishes. The 7-inch barrel gives you enough velocity to comfortably wring steel out to 200 yards, though it's primarily designed as a close-quarters tool. The pros: incredible concealment in a square package roughly 11 by 5 inches when folded. Lightning-fast deployment once you master the muscle memory, and it runs on standard Glock mags, which is the gold standard for reliability. The cons: it's a niche firearm with a price tag around $1,600. The folding mechanism adds mechanical complexity that requires consistent cleaning and inspection to ensure smooth operation in the field. Number 5. Thompson Center & Core Pistol and 50 Alaskan. Sometimes a truck gun isn't about volume of fire, it's about stopping power. If you're driving through bear country or need a problem solver that can punch through heavy obstacles, the Encore and 50 Alaskan is a beast in a category of its own. This is a single-shot, break-action pistol that has its roots in hunting history. While most people think of a truck gun as a subgun, a high-powered single-shot can be a devastatingly accurate tool if you know how to use it. This specific model features a massive 15-inch heavy barrel and a TC muzzle brake to help tame that legendary recoil. It's topped off with a 2.5 to 7 power handgun scope, giving you rifle-like accuracy in a package you can keep tucked behind the seat. The Encore features a Dragoon-style trigger guard that is a full half-inch wide, making it incredibly easy to open the action even if you're wearing thick winter gloves. Unlike some break actions that send your spent brass flying, this ejector is designed to simply lift the shell just enough for you to pluck it out of the chamber, which is great for reloaders or staying tidy in the cab. The rebounding safety hammer is a crucial feature here, ensuring the firing pin only moves when you actually pull that trigger. The pros: unbeatable one-shot ballistics with the 50 Alaskan round, MOA accuracy that can reach out across a valley if needed, and a beautiful walnut finish that gives it a classic, rugged American look. The cons: you only get one shot before a manual reload, which is a major tactical disadvantage in a multi-threat scenario. The recoil from a 50 Alaskan out of a handgun is absolutely punishing for inexperienced shooters and requires a very steady sitting position or a bipod to manage. Number 4. Kel-Tec KS7. When space is at an absolute premium, but you still need the authority of a 12-gauge, the KS7 is a masterclass in trimming the fat. This is effectively one of the shortest shotguns you can legally own with a full stock that isn't locked behind an NFA tax stamp. Coming in at an overall length of just 26.1 inches, it sits right on the edge of the legal limit, making it incredibly easy to stash behind a seat or in a toolbox. Despite that tiny footprint, it still carries a full 18.5-inch barrel. It's a slimmed-down, single-tube version of its big brother, the KSG, and that simplicity makes it lighter, faster, and much more intuitive to grab in a hurry. The KS7 tips the scales at just 5.9 pounds, which is remarkably light for a 12-gauge. It holds 7 rounds of 2 3/4-inch shells in the tube. One of the best features for truck use is the bottom ejection port. It keeps spent shells from bouncing off your interior or hitting your passenger in the face. The carry handle isn't just for looks either. It features a massive green fiber optic triangle sight that is eye-catching and perfect for low-light, close-range defensive shooting. The pros: extremely lightweight and easy to maneuver in a narrow cabin. Fully ambidextrous controls, including the pump release and crossbolt safety, and it's very budget-friendly for the amount of firepower you're getting. The cons: being so light, the recoil from high brass slugs or buckshot is very snappy, and the polymer clamshell construction doesn't feel as premium as a high-end combat shotgun. Number 3. Smith & Wesson M&P 12. If the KS7 is about being slim, the M&P 12 is about being a tank. When Smith & Wesson jumped into the bullpup shotgun arena, they didn't play it safe. This is a dual-tube beast that gives you an incredible amount of onboard lead. You're looking at a total capacity of 14+1 when you're running standard shells. In a vehicle defense scenario, having 15 rounds of 12-gauge without needing to reload is a massive tactical advantage. It's built like a piece of professional machinery, with an overall length of 27.8 inches, making it slightly longer than the Kel-Tec, but still very truck-friendly. This shotgun features a 3-inch chamber, allowing you to load 12+1 of the heavy-duty 3-inch shells if you really need to bring the hammer down. The controls are modeled after the AR-15, so if you have muscle memory on a rifle, you'll feel right at home with the ambidextrous safety. It also features an innovative push-button loading system that helps you clear the tubes, and the muzzle is compatible with rem chokes, so you can tune your pattern for the specific distances you expect to engage at. The pros: massive ammo capacity for a package under 28 inches, excellent ergonomics with interchangeable backstraps to fit your hand perfectly, and a very familiar AR-style control layout. The cons: at over 8 pounds unloaded, it's a heavy beast to lift and swing in a hurry, and the loading process is a bit more complex than a traditional pump, meaning you'll want to finish the fight before you try to top it off. Number 2. Palmetto State Armory AKV. If you're a fan of the classic AK platform but want something optimized for the 9mm cartridge, the AKV is an absolute workhorse for your truck. This isn't just a parts kit build. It's a purpose-built 9mm blowback system loosely based on the Russian Vityaz, the submachine gun used by elite special forces. For 2026, it remains a top choice because it combines that legendary AK durability with the affordability of handgun ammo. It features a 10.5-inch nitrided barrel that is built to take a beating and outlast the shooter. Whether it's sitting in a hot truck in Arizona or a freezing cabin in Montana, the AKV is designed to go bang every single time you pull that trigger. Unlike traditional AK rifles that use a long stroke piston, the AKV runs on a direct blowback system, which simplifies the internals for 9mm use. It comes with a forged front trunnion and bolt carrier for maximum longevity. One of the best quality of life upgrades here is the last round bolt hold open, a feature missing on most AK platforms, allowing for much faster reloads via a small release switch. It also features an extended safety lever and a paddle magazine release that makes it incredibly intuitive to operate under stress. The pros: it runs on highly available and affordable CZ Scorpion style mags. The top dust cover features a Picatinny rail that actually holds 0 for your red dots, and it's significantly more affordable than its European competitors. The cons: being a blowback 9mm, the bolt is heavy, meaning it has a bit more thump in the recoil department than a gas-operated gun, and the overall weight can get high once you start adding lights and optics. Number 1. Springfield Armory St. Victor 9mm. Taking the top spot for 2026 is a platform that brings AR-style precision to the truck gun world. The St. Victor in 9mm is the gold standard for a vehicle-based carbine because it offers the exact manual of arms most American shooters already know by heart. This isn't a shrunken-down rifle. It's a precision-manufactured tool designed for optimal fit and function in tight spaces. With its compact barrel and collapsible stock, it can tuck into a bag or behind a seat, but when deployed, it gives you a stable, 3-point-of-contact shooting platform that makes hits at 50 and 100 yards effortless. The heart of this beast is a dedicated 9mm blowback action paired with a 6-inch barrel, giving you a total length of just 15.5 inches in its pistol configuration. The upper receiver and handguard are machined from high-grade aluminum with a hard-coat anodized finish to resist the scratches and dings of truck life. It features a full-length Picatinny rail for your optics and M-lock slots on the handguard for a tactical light essential for a gun that might be used at night on a dark roadside. The pros: fully ambidextrous safety and charging handles make it easy to use if you're forced to shoot from the driver's side window. The trigger is crisp with a very short reset, and the multi-port muzzle brake does a fantastic job of keeping the muzzle flat for rapid-fire follow-ups. The cons: like many high-end PCCs, it prefers high-quality magazines to ensure 100% reliability. And the shorter barrel means you'll want to choose your defensive ammo carefully to ensure proper expansion. Choosing the right truck gun is about balancing size, horror look, and your own comfort level. Whether you go with the raw power of a 12-gauge or the precision of a 9mm carbine, the most important part of the equation is training. Get out to the range, practice deploying these from a bag, and make sure you're ready for whatever 2026 throws at you. Make sure you like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below. Stay sharp,